In this video, I will show how to join two tables in Microsoft Word. So we can see we have this two table and we need to join. So easy and simple way. Select this all and or select one by one table. Then table layout, convert to text. Select tabs and click on OK. Same second, convert to text and tabs. Now select this all, insert table and convert text to table. Select here tabs and click on OK. And you can delete in this row. Now select and delete in this row. So this is the first method. Second method you can try. Copy second table's data and click here and paste here. And paste here as a merge table. Now delete this second table and delete this row. So these two methods you can try to join two table in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.